In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a channel in Slack. Whether you're collaborating with your team or bringing in a new member, knowing how to manage your Slack channels effectively is vital. So, let's dive in and explore the process so you can facilitate smooth communication within your team. To begin, open the Slack application on your computer or mobile device. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once inside your workspace, locate the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of channels you're currently part of. You'll want to navigate to the specific channel to which you wish to add a new member. Click on that channel to open it. At the top of the channel screen, there's a small icon, or in some versions, a label showing the number of members in that channel. Click on this icon to access the channel details. It's essentially where you can manage members, settings, and other channel-specific actions. In the member view that appears, find the option that says Add People and click on it. You might notice that this option is also sometimes labeled Invite Members in certain versions of Slack. This step is crucial as it's the gateway to bringing new participants into your chosen channel. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to start typing the name or email address of the person you wish to add. Slack has a predictive search function, so as you type, it will automatically suggest matching names or email addresses based on existing workspace members. Select the correct person from the list of suggestions. If the person you want to add isn't already part of your Slack workspace, you'll need to invite them to join your workspace first before you can add them to the channel. Once you've made the selection, click on the Add button to finalize the action. A notification might pop up, informing both you and the new member that they have been successfully added to the channel. It's worth mentioning that not all users have the permission to add members to every channel. Some channels are private, meaning only the channel's creator or designated admins can add new members. If you encounter a situation where you can't add someone, you'll need to reach out to your workspace administrator or the channel owner for assistance. Now you know how to add someone to a channel in Slack, making the process of team collaboration more seamless. Remember, effective communication is key to successful teamwork, and managing Slack channels efficiently plays a significant part in that. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating.